Today on Car Vibes, we're exploring a true icon from the golden era of American pickups, the 1968 GMC C1500. This vintage full-size truck holds a special place in the hearts of classic vehicle lovers thanks to its bold styling, rugged capability, and unmistakable presence on the road. Whether you're a restorer, collector, or just a fan of old-school craftsmanship, the C1500 stands out as a symbol of durable, honest engineering. Starting with the exterior, the 1968 GMC C1500 brought a refined look that separated it from earlier models. It features a boxy but well-proportioned body, straight character lines along the sides, and a wide, confident front end. The dual headlights are housed in squared bezels flanking a thick horizontal bar grille, giving it a distinct face. The hood has a subtle center crease, and the chrome bumpers front and rear add that vintage shine. Wheel arches are slightly flared, accommodating steel wheels or period-correct aftermarket upgrades. This truck looks especially clean in a dark brown finish, highlighting the muscular lines and giving it a bold, understated look. Whether it's parked in a showroom or rolling down a rural highway, this pickup demands attention with its simplicity and strength. Inside the cabin, the C1500's interior reflects the utilitarian roots of American trucks in the late 60s. It was designed for function over form, but there's still a charm in its minimalism. The bench seat is wide, typically covered in vinyl or basic cloth, and offers a comfortable ride for 2 or 3 passengers. The dashboard is a painted metal panel, usually color-matched to the exterior, with large round gauges that show speed, oil pressure, fuel level, and engine temperature. There's a steel steering wheel with a simple horn ring, and controls for the heater and radio are basic and mechanical. While there's no touchscreen or modern convenience, that's exactly what makes the driving experience so engaging. It's raw, unfiltered, and takes you back to a time when everything was built to last. Under the hood, the 1968 C1500 came with several powertrain options. The most popular choices were the 305 or 327 cubic inch V8 engines, both of which provided strong low-end torque and a satisfying growl under throttle. The truck was available with a 3-speed manual gearbox as standard, though a turbo-hydromatic automatic transmission was optional. Performance-wise, this wasn't a truck built for speed but for capability. It could haul serious loads, tow without hesitation, and take on tough terrain without blinking. Even today, restored examples retain much of that durability. Many enthusiasts choose to upgrade the brakes, suspension, and cooling systems to improve daily drivability while keeping the original powertrain intact. Driving the C1500 is a unique experience. The steering is slower and heavier compared to modern vehicles, but it gives you a real connection to the road. The suspension is soft, offering a smooth ride over rough surfaces, but it leans into corners and reminds you that this is a true truck, not a performance vehicle. Still, the feedback, the engine sound, and the mechanical simplicity give it an appeal that modern trucks can't replicate. It's a machine that makes you feel like part of the journey rather than just a passenger in a tech bubble. As for market value, prices vary widely depending on condition, originality, and modifications. A non-running project truck might sell for under $10,000, while a clean daily driver with good paint and a reliable drivetrain could be worth $15,000 to $25,000. Fully restored or custom-built examples with upgraded internals and immaculate finishes can easily reach $40,000 or more. This model has seen increasing demand in recent years as more people appreciate the character and charm of vintage American iron. The 1968 GMC C1500 pickup is more than a utility vehicle. It's a piece of living history, built with pride and designed to last. Whether restored to perfection or preserved in its original patina, this truck offers a driving experience that's both nostalgic and rewarding.